Get a lot of questions, and I see a bunch of discussions about using AI in our field for technical and mechanical specialists. And one thing I guess I would like everyone to keep in mind and to consider is GPS. Many of us grew up without GPS. We had to get directions from somebody, or usually we had a map, right? You'd look at a map, come up with a plan, or figure it out on the way using a map. And the thing with the map is it kind of gave you a lay of the land. And when you came up on obstacles preventing you from, your intended path, you kind of knew about where you were. You knew what your options were, and you could plan around that. You could improvise. Using AI is very much like using a database for diagnostics, using database diagnostics, where you become very reliant on it, and it's almost like skills atrophy, and certainly confidence in using those skills or techniques atrophies. So I guess where I'm going is, if we're going to use this stuff, we still need to figure out a lay of the land. We still need to learn and use more of the map than listening for the GPS directions. We get that by reading surface information. We get that by going to training. We get that by interacting with other talented, knowledgeable technical specialists, mechanical specialists. However we do that, through professional forums, through social media groups, through going to training and during breaks, or if you're going to larger events like STX, ASTA, Vision, Apex. Getting out there and networking. That's how we get a lay of the land. Instead of relying on we should be using the supplement, AI kind of leaves us hanging. We can improvise. I'm not saying not to use AI. I would just urge you to try to use it in the best way possible to supplement what you're already doing or need to be doing. Just don't forget about having that fundamental knowledge. And remember, fundamental does not mean easy. It's a terrible association of words. Fundamental and basic meaning easy. So yeah, I think we need to be using AI. It's just going to be the way, and we're not the only field. But we need to work with it, have it work with us, use it to supplement, not take over. If it's going to take over, we're not going to stop it. And by take over, I mean take away diagnostic decisions, not something out of Terminator. But currently it is about using it as a supplement. And those of us that are using AI the right way will be in a better position than those that are not using it at all, and those that are heavily reliant on it. Take that for what you will.